loading, abrasive or higher the dust loading, the larger is the filtration area provided, lower is the air-to-cloth ratio maintained. What is can velocity? Can velocity equals velocity at which the gas travels upwards, across the cross-section of the bag filter equals total volume of gas, or air, handled by the bag filter, cubic meter per minute, divided by cross-sectional area of bag filter casing, meter square. Important notice. This is an important aspect, and has to be restricted especially for fine, light, and non-agglomerating dust. Lime, carbon black are typical examples, as otherwise the dust may remain, in a fluidized state in the bag filter, and not get discharged from the unit at all. Can velocity. The theoretical speed of dust-laden air as it passes, upward between the filter bags. The